Hello and welcome to the Memory Lab. In this video, I will show you how to digitize your Super 8 film using the Reflecta Super 8 converter and the CyberView S8 software on the SEU INV1 Windows desktop. You will need your Super 8 film reel, the Reflecta take-up reel, your library card, and your flash drive to save your content. As always, you will want to grab the Equipment Resource Binder for step-by-step instructions on how to use the equipment. Log into the SEU INV1 computer using your library card by entering your patron ID and your PIN. Your patron ID is the number on the back of your library card. Your PIN is usually the last 4 digits of your phone number. You could also sign in with a username and password. Turning on the Reflecta. If the case is not off, remove the case and lift the arms of the machine. Press the power button located in the bottom right of the machine until you see a blue light. Open the CyberView S8 software by clicking the icon on the desktop. The software will not open unless the machine is powered on. Choose your preferred language. A window will pop up. Welcome to use CyberView S8. Enter your movie plan name in the text box. This is the title of your movie. Then choose an export folder by pressing Browse. This is where you are going to save your images and movie. With this machine, choose Desktop as your location. Create a folder by pressing New Folder. Title it the same name as your movie plan, then press Select Folder. You have now created a path to save your movie to the desktop. Press Start Your Plan. Here, a window may pop up asking you to take off the reel and calibrate. Press Yes to calibrate. After the machine finishes calibrating, you can install your film. Place the take-up reel on the left arm of the machine. Install your Super 8 movie film reel to the supply reel arm on the right side, sprocket hole side facing you. Feed the loose end into the up feed sprocket, where the 2 white arrows are pointing. Once secure, quick press the forward button on the machine to gently lead it through the feeder. If you hold down the forward button for a moment, the film will continuously move through the feeder. This will automatically feed out from the down feed gears. Guiding the film into the film rollers, lock your film into the take-up reel. In the capture window, press the up and down buttons or the forward and backward buttons on the scanner to find the frame you'd like to start your movie with. Adjust brightness if needed or change your setting to have cool white or warm white tones. When ready to start scanning, press Capture. Your film will now be scanned at the rate of 2 frames per 5 seconds, about 24 frames per minute. It should take approximately 2.5 hours to digitize a 50-foot roll of film, approximately 2.5 minutes of footage at 24 frames per second. This machine will not digitize sound. When you are finished scanning your film, press Next. A new preview window will pop up. Here you will choose your output size and your frame rate. You could test the frame rate by choosing an option, then pressing play. Recommended output size is 1080 pixels for best quality. Choose the frame rate that you think works best. When you are finished, press Combine. A window will pop up asking you if you'd like to keep your individual image files. If you simply just want your digitized video, press No. If you would like to keep your individual images, press Yes. The software will now take the time to combine each frame into an 18 or 24 frame per second film. Press Finish when done. You have now digitized your Super 8 film reel. Take the loose end of the film and guide it back under the bottom rollers up to its original wheel. Secure your film back onto the supply reel. Press and hold down the rewind button on the Reflecta scanner until the film has been fed out of the machine. The film will rewind from the take-up reel back onto its original reel. Press the stop button to stop rewinding. To transfer your digital video file to your flash drive, insert your flash drive into the USB adapter and activate the port by pressing the button on the top to light it up blue. Open your folder you created on the desktop. Click and drag your file to your flash drive. You now have your digitized AVI movie saved to your personal flash drive. If you have any questions, call the information desk at the South Euclid Lyndhurst branch.